Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell you how to delete Shopee app purchase history, how to remove your purchase history from Shopee app. So I will tell you everything in detail. So please watch this video till end, and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. So first of all, I will tell you step by step. So you have to open your Gmail. First of all, we will write an Gmail to Shopee, and after that I will tell you what to do and how can you delete your Shopee purchase history. So first of all, you have to write your name, number and request. First of all, you have to write your name in name column, and after that give some space and write number column, and in number column you have to write your register mobile number which is register on Shopee app. After that, friends, please write request here, and in request what I am writing here, so you have to simply copy that. So I am writing here in very easy and simple language that please delete my Shopee purchase history. You can also write here please remove or clear my Shopee purchase history. And after that, friends, you have to write in subject column. So you have to write like Shopee purchase history delete request. You can also write here Shopee purchase history clear or remove request. And lastly, you have to write here Shopee app Gmail ID. So you will get from Shopee app, and also you will get Gmail ID of Shopee from Shopee official website. So you have to copy Shopee email ID and paste it here. And after that, friends, you have to check your email whether everything is proper and correct. If you have mistake in your email, your request will not be accepted and your Shopee purchase history will not be deleted. So kindly check your email before sending it to Shopee. And friends, after sending your email, you have to wait 10 to 15 minutes for reply. So after 10 to 15 minutes you will get an reply from Shopee app that your Shopee purchase history will be deleted in 48 hours. So after that, you have to do one thing from your Shopee app. You have to clear your data to delete your Shopee purchase history. I will show you how can you delete or clear your Shopee data. So I will do step by step here and you have to copy me. So friends, please open your mobile setting. You have to simply go on mobile setting, and from there you can delete your Shopee app clear data. So here I am opening setting. You have to copy me. You can see there is setting option, and after that you can see here apps or application option. So you have to select on apps, and after that you have to select on manage app, and after that you can search here Shopee, your Shopee app. You can see there is an option clear data. So you have to click on clear all data. Here written all app data including file setting account and databases and cache will be permanently deleted. So you have to click on OK, and after that your Shopee app data will be clear and your app will become new and fresh. So this is how you have to delete your Shopee app purchase history. I will show you your app will be new and fresh. So friends, I hope you understand this is how you can delete your Shopee purchase history, and you can also delete your Shopee purchase history from Shopee app, or you can also call Shopee customer care to delete your Shopee purchase history. I hope you like my video. Subscribe to my channel, friends. Okay, bye.